Some of them use hot water, which is I not recommend because we are going to ferment. It's not we're going to use as it is. So for that reason, to use heat like microwave or hot water, I would not recommend. But all I recommend just to take, to separate cloves and dump in your jar or big bowl. Actually, I do sometimes between two bowls, but today we'll do in a jar, and we'll just shake. Super simple. Or you can do like this. And now all you need to do, shake hard. And after shaking for 5 minutes or so, I got caught. It's like workout. We can see most of them are peeled.